lot of smoke in there. I probably smell like smoky chicken. I just went to go pick up my order that I placed during the week. It's a new item from Barya Kitchen. It's called Chicken Inasal. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So it's a Filipino American food truck, and yeah, they did some pre-orders this week, so I was really excited because the chicken looked really sexy on their pictures. So it's grilled chicken and duck confit Java rice. Hold on, I can't think while I'm pulling this baby apart. Yes, I have a glove on. So good. It's nicely marinated. Soy sauce. There's some citrus to it. The smokiness. It's delicious. The rice is really delicious. But yeah, this chicken's bomb. I want a whole chicken. I mean, just like this. Then we have some achara. It's like a pickled cabbage. Maybe some of this on the rice too, because I'm Asian and I like soy sauce on my rice. So, check them out, Barya Kitchen. I don't know when they'll do this item again, but you're missing out if you didn't order any today. I wish there was more of it. I'm going through it too fast. Slow down, Jimmy. Slow down and enjoy it. I love chicken skin, chicken skin. I don't want it to end. I guess I should eat some veggies too. I might go enjoy my dinner in the car now. Yeah, Barya Kitchen, Chicken Inasal. Very good, delicious, worth it. My last bite of chicken. I told you, don't judge me. Excuse me, where's the rest of my chicken? All I need now is a Diet Coke. And 10 more of these chickens. No more chicken. I just went full on savage with this. Look at that. People are watching me. They're all judging me. All right, I guess it's time to go. Gotta look spiffy and fashionable while I'm driving home, you know, to do nothing. It's okay. I'll just catch up on some shows.